Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set push notifications on the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, and then tap on behavior. Here at the bottom, we find the push notifications and then enable push notifications. If you tap on this, we are going to disable these notifications, and if you tap on it again, so it's blue, it's going to be enabled. So this is basically the place where we can turn on and off notifications. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.